Hello friends, in today's video, we are covering a major reason of rejection, that is your connection to your home country. Yes, as an immigration officer evaluates your temporary resident visa application, he continuously looks to assess establish a connection of your ties to your home country and the period in which you will go back. So I am Prachi Jain and today I am here with a video to talk about how you can establish strong home ties to your home country when you are applying for a temporary resident visa. So stay tuned. So to start with, temporary resident visas are three types of visas, majorly your study visa, your visitor visa, as well as your work permits. So whenever you're applying for any of these kind of temporary resident visa, the officer definitely looks to determine your ties to your home country so that he can know that you're not going to overstay or stay illegally in the country and you have a strong reason to go back to your home country. It's only then that he decides to grant you the temporary resident visa. Now, to continue, why and what you can show as the strong reasons of your home country ties are some of these which I'm going to list right now. So here are the few ways in which you can show strong home country ties in your visitor visa application, study visa application, or a work permit application. Number one being showing the names, addresses, and relationship of all your family members who continue to reside in your home country. Example, if I am applying my own application and I'm going to visit my brother or sister in Canada, I would also show my other connections back home like my parents' details who continue to reside in the home country even though only I am traveling to visit my brother. So this is one of the ways you can show the names, family member addresses in the application so that it's a strong tie that you would go back home and the visa officer is assured. The next way where you can show a strong tie with your home country is providing copy of deeds or property tax records that are in your name in your home country. This would again assure the officer that you are having a very strong tie. Another way to show a strong tie, especially when you're applying for a visitor visa to Canada, is if you're employed with an organization, you can simply approach your organization to give you a letter on their letterhead indicating your salary, your position, and the number of days of leaves you have availed from them to travel to Canada. This is another strong proof that you have something back home to return to and you will definitely go back to the country since you're employed with that organization. So in case of where you are having your own businesses in your home country and you're traveling to visit Canada, you can show your active business and a proof of that could be your statements of income, or you can show your banking statements, or you can show even your income tax returns that you filed for your business that are in your own name. This could show the visa officer that you have a very strong reason and you hold a business for which you have to return back after your visit. So what we're trying to establish is the next way is providing an intent of what you're going to do going back. Why would you go back to your home country? So example, if you are a student who's continuing your education but in the middle in a vacation you're coming to visit somebody in Canada, you could say that when you're going back to your home country you're going to continue your education there. Or alternatively, if you're employed with an organization, you can say you'll go back and resume your employment. And if you are the owner of a business, you can state that you have a lot of business to attend to when you're going to go back. And that's another reason that you want to go back and intend to go back to your country. Coming to a next way of showing strong ties, especially when you're applying for a student visa, is to apply for a course that is in line with your current education. So example, if I am a commerce graduate back home, if I apply for a course in Masters in Finance or Masters in Commerce, it makes practical sense that I am continuing my education in the same field of stream. But if I'm already a graduate in commerce and I'm applying for a course which is not related or a diploma course after a degree course, it makes suspicion to the IRCC officer that what the person is doing. And the career aspirations being not in line could lead to one of the reasons of rejection. So it's necessary that we show a continuity of education in the field and it could be a better way to get a visa approval. So far we spoke about certain documentary things which you can write down and explain to the visa officer, but there are also some documentary evidences that can make your application very strong. One of that could be attaching a return flight ticket. So when you're applying for a temporary resident visa, you can apply a return flight ticket along with that in the IRCC portal so that the visa officer is assured that you're going to go back to your home country on a specified date. Or alternatively, you can also attach a proof of funds saying that you have the available necessary funds to book your tickets in time to go back to your home country. So these are the ways overall in which you can define your strong ties for the visa officer and impress him that you do want to go back to your country since when you're applying for a temporary resident visa. So hope this video served the purpose and you really liked my content. Please like, subscribe and share my videos so that I'm motivated to get you more topics, and don't forget to write in the comments if you're looking for some particular topic and I'll do all the justice to it. Thank you so much, take care and have a great week ahead.